There is no man on this earth who thinks you are his friend. When your boyfriend tells you, let's go to Zanzibar, already understand something is going to be done. How can you sponsor a whole cow and not milk it? When you are at the airport, no, forget the airport. When you are packing your bags, where do you think you are going? To enjoy with your boyfriend? Where do you think you are going? You are moving around. Where are you going? Just with my boyfriend. Where are you going? Just out there. To do what? If you look at the word arrested again, it's on 26. Now, to do what? What are you going to do where you are going? Just on holiday. He's just my friend. He just invited. Let me tell you something so you understand, my daughters. My sons know this, so I'm not telling them. There is no man on this earth who thinks you are his friend. No one. I get it. And women play dumb sometimes. They go like, but he's my friend. It's possible just because you... I wish you were sitting next to a man next to you. Just look around. If there is a man there that can be your friend, please raise your hand. There is nothing like that. Ever. Men are just waiting for an opportunity. If that opportunity avails itself, that's when you know he's not your friend. No, but just my friend. I just like him. And people will argue and argue. It's us men who know. When we sit around, as a matter of fact, if you ask the same woman, wait a minute, ma'am, you keep deep with these people, these women, and say, sit down. Now you have said you are a friend to John. Think thoroughly. Think thoroughly, rather. Think through this. If you were left alone with John, and he finds you in a compromising position, what would John do? Then you ask the second question. Do you honestly think John doesn't like you? They will tell you the truth. He does. Here's my question. I know there are women arguing right there, because I think this requires a chart. This is you, husband. What do you like in a husband? You should be honest. Having rich, some people put rich, let's just put a star here. You should be able to tell the truth. He should love you, he should protect you. Now, I can just remove husband here and put friend. All the things you want in your husband is what you want in a friend. Except intimacy. You might say, but I'm not going to be intimate with him. But look, he ticked all the boxes of a friend. And the boxes are the what you're looking for. And guess what? Most women will tell you, I want my husband to be my friend. And then they tell you, they will never do anything with their friend. Say, but no, maybe it's just your mind that is dirty. Maybe God's mind is also dirty. Because God said, flee from an appearance of any evil. Anything that looks like it might turn evil, run. God said, run. Run away. He knows the way he created you. He knows if you stay a little bit longer, linger around sin, you get in.
Someone is saying.
Then you get to Tanzania, carry your bags. How many days are you staying? A week. And you're still thinking you're with your friend. Why do you think this old friend paid all these bills for you to be there? To be with